Village Defense Force BDF personnel Singi Pithoktana Leiriba Khutsumal Sing athubada phangnaba leingak na shinbidrabadi Akanba Khongjang Changsillagani haina All Manipur BDF Employee Welfare Association AMVDFEWA na thadorakpa cherol amana hairi. AMVDFEWA na thadorakpa cherol asina hai Government of India ge Ministry of Finance ke anoba guidelines ke matung ina financial year 2024-25 tage Head of Department Sing da fund allocate tawngabagi damang Manipur ge bifurcate tawkraba district Singi SP da fund allocate tawba yanaba Manipur Police Department na Manipur leingak ki Home Department da proposal anirak thakre bifurcate tawkraba district Sing adudi Kakching Tengnopal Kamzong, Jiribam, Kangpopi, Fairjol, Amadi, Noni na Chingbani. Kumja ing lesing ani kun nitoy gi October 10 da from kiba cabinet may from naso BDF personal Singi bifurcation tawnaba ayaba pikrabasu ngasi fawba Home Department na order pidaba maramna khutshumal fangdana leide. Pikraba khutshumal ngapigani pikraba khutshumal amage makada hinduna lamdamasigi law and order ngaknaba hotnariba BDF personal Sing aduki matek ware pikraba khutshumal asina yamna wana imung punaba hotnaringai cherak asida khutshumal fawba fangdaba asidi kokta khut hapage fibam da leide fan leina khutshuman fanghandaba haibase BDF Singna Akanba Khongjang Changsillagani barton tawbaga mane maram aduna Chief Minister amadi mari leinaba Singna hiram asida meeting changbiduna athuba matamda khutshumal Pithoktana hotnabiyu amaromda hauzik thokliba irang asida thawai thakraba Imphal East Commando da attached tawba Imphal East District BDF number 0916138 L Prem da lengaki maikedige pifam thokpa ex gracia amadi leikidraba Prem gi imung manungda lengaki chanaba thabak ama pibiu hainasu cherol asina palle